morning, ladies and gentlemen, and a very warm welcome to the JSE. For those of you that do not know who I am, my name is Patricia and I'm a Business Development Manager here at the Exchange. And on behalf of the JSE, Nikki Newton-King, we'd like to extend a very warm and a very special welcome to Sygnia Limited, who's going to be listing on the JSE's Mainboard this morning. To all the advisors, management, directors, everybody that has been involved in making this listing possible, it is such an exciting time in the company's life, and we really do feel privileged to be sharing in celebration with you this morning.
It is indeed a great honor to have all of you here. And I have to say, I was so happy that Patricia was going to be doing the introduction this morning, but she really let me down. Patricia's of Polish descent, and she had us all in here at 7 o'clock this morning pronouncing Wiejicka. And I said to Patricia, you expect me to pronounce Magda's surname? I can't even pronounce my own. Ladies and gentlemen, I don't need to tell you that this is a very much anticipated listing. And it's the 32nd company to be listing on the JSE in the financial services sector. I can show you the orders on the board here. And it's probably, of all the listings I've done, it's one of the most active that we've seen before the market opened. So I think that bodes well in terms of the uplift in the share. And we certainly wish everyone at Sygnia well with this listing. I do want to thank the board members of Sygnia. I see Shirley here and others. I do want to thank you all also for your support. I want to also recognize my friend and partner, John Burke, and his team in issuer regulation that really did the heavy lifting from our side. Today, ladies and gentlemen, we are celebrating not just the listing of Sygnia on our main board, but we are celebrating Magda Wiejicka's birthday. Happy birthday, dear Magda. Happy birthday to you. Woohoo! There you go, girl.
Thanks, guys. It's so great to be here. It's so great to see all of you here. I mean, really today is a little bit of a thank you for the past and a welcome to the future. But in the meantime, let's concentrate on the thank yous. There are a lot of people in this room who have been supporters of ours, who have been clients of ours, who have come a long, long way with us on this journey of Sygnia and building up Sygnia. But there are some special people I must mention in those thank yous. One of those people is Simon. This wouldn't have been possible without you. So thank you very much. You are an intrinsic part of everything that I do and wouldn't have been here otherwise. I also want to say thank you to my two sons, Alex and Nicholas, long-suffering sons who did not have their mother at the school picnics and the mother's lunches and the school runs. And then Willem and Yusuf, the two people who were there right at the beginning in 2003, which I fondly remember started in a holiday house in Onras with the four of us sitting on the floor and plotting the future of what was IQ Vest and then became African Harvest and Sygnia. Guys, thanks for your contribution. And then just in terms of the listing, Ian, in this whole listing process, he headed me, he shepherded me, he protected me from crazy investors. Ian wouldn't have happened without you. And yet another leading light in our listing process, Anthony, your guidance, thank you. Wouldn't have done it without you. We're embarking on a new chapter of this book. It's a book I'm going to write one day when I retire. But this is really the opening chapter right there. And let's look forward to 9 o'clock and see what happens. Thank you very much.
Good morning. Welcome to the JSE. My name is Soraya, and I'm part of the trading team, and we're responsible for managing the trading engine across all our markets. Right at the top of the screen is the equity market ticker. The ticker records all trades as they are occurring in the equity market. The market has not yet opened, therefore there's no activity on the ticker right now. But at 9 o'clock, you'll see the flurry of trades across the screen. The ticker is important because it helps traders track the activity of certain stocks and stay on top of market sentiment. Below the equity market ticker is the ticker for the derivatives market, which opened at 8:30 a.m. On the equity derivatives market, our most popular contract is the ALSI contract, and the constituents of the ALSI are the top 40 stocks on the equity market. Below the tickers is some reference data information for the Sygnia stock. It's recognized in the market by its unique symbol, which is SYG. The M price and M vol values are quite quite important as well, as these indicate that if the uncrossing were to occur right now and the stock were to come into continuous trading, it would do so at a price of 1299 and a volume of almost over 217,000 shares. Thank you and good luck.
3, 2, 1.